Well, I am really excited about this interview. A very cool project that we're going to hear about. We're here at the Buildings of Excellence Round 3 Awards Ceremony, hosted by NYSERDA and AIA New York and House Accelerator. So without further ado, if you wouldn't mind introducing yourselves and your firm, and then we can dive into the project.
Sure. My name is Pournamasi Rath, and I am a principal of sustainability at Ettinger Engineering Associates.
And I'm Ed Ettinger. I'm the managing principal of Ettinger Engineering Associates as well.
Fantastic. So tell us about the project.
Our project is a variety boys and girls club, right on the line between Astoria and Long Island City and the city. We're fortunate enough to be able to redevelop a club space that currently is very passionate about sustainable building, because our project sponsor actually used to be a councilman who helped advance Local 97, the greenhouse carbon emissions tax in the city.
Cool.
So we have that on the base, and we're fortunate enough to be putting about 300 supportive and affordable housing units on top that will be leading the way in sustainable building technology.
In terms of the valued benefit, the project is going for LEED certification, Energy Star certification, indoor air quality, and Fitwel certification. So with a variety of these programs, what the design is going to do is basically address the green requirements for the community in a holistic manner, and also make sure that the project is being designed to provide an optimal space in terms of the indoor air quality, for the physical and mental well-being of the residents of the affordable spaces.
The club really is looking to serve as a community partner the way that it is. It is going to open the doors of its lobby. It is going to have prominent walls that feature real-time building information, how its water is being used, what the solar production from the roof is, so that it can really have and capture a museum-like moment for both the users of the club, but also open to the neighborhood to highlight all the sustainable features that we're bringing.
As a Buildings of Excellence winner now, and as you're looking at kind of the future of building in New York, why do you think the Buildings of Excellence program is important?
It does bring forward a range of these futuristic and innovative building designs that are meant to hail a new trend of designing for the future. These are supposed to be buildings of excellence truly in terms of being carbon neutral ready, reducing their carbon footprint, their embodied carbon, and also bringing forward like green certification programs to the forefront. Yeah, I think you can take that as well.
Well, and to just add, our residential component, while it will stop short of formal Passive House certification, is going to be built to Passive House standards, so we will be substantially improving the envelope and bringing fresh air ventilation with ERVs.
Right.
But what kind of becomes commonplace for folks like us that work in this space is not commonplace to others. So for argument's sake, I know that for an affordable development, a developer has to provide heat for the tenants or subsidize that through utility allowance credits.
Right.
But not everyone else does. So if we can deploy Passive House concepts to bring the heating and cooling loads, but specifically the heating loads of the building down, therein lies true payback that can drive the impetus for these types of projects.
Right.
And through programs like the NYSERDA Building of Excellence, we have a platform to deliver that message to a much broader audience.